Good morning, 7th grade. Mr. Long here. Happy Tuesday, this March 24th, 2020. So we're on the Google Classroom page. If we scroll down, too far, if we scroll down, you'll see that Ms. Collier posted a new assignment at 9:30 and also a main idea review resource to the Google Classroom page. Now, if we click into the assignment, we go into instructions. It's fairly straightforward. Today, for reading, you need to focus on main idea. Watch the review video before completing the activity. Write answers on loose leaf or worksheet. Take a picture and send it to Ms. Collier. So when you finish this worksheet that's posted right here, your answers should be written either in your writer's notebook or on a loose leaf of paper, and you need to take a picture and upload that through your email or through Google Classroom. Make sure Ms. Collier or myself can reach it so we can give you a grade. So the directions for this worksheet: read each passage and ask yourself, what is the author doing in this paragraph? What is the paragraph mostly about? Write your answer in the summary box and then think of an appropriate title for the passage based on the main idea of the passage. And so you have to complete that. Main idea. Now if you're thinking, Mr. Long, I'm not really sure about main idea. Well, Ms. Collier posted a review video. So if we go back out real quick, in this post called Main Idea Review, there's a link to the vocabulary video. Awesome. I'm not going to watch that with you. You can watch that later. So if we go back to Google Classroom and go back to our assignment, you'll be able to complete the worksheet. That's what you have to do for reading today. Now for writing, you should continue writing sentences for your academic vocabulary, words 20 to 30. And that's found right here. You've seen this before. You should have already done the first 20 words. And today, you're taking care of grimy, hilarious, hybrid, incident, insinuate, lavish, lethal, murky, narrative, notorious, and overwhelm. You need to write 7th grade level sentences for all of those words. Again, you should write this in your writer's notebook or do it in your e-journal that you created yesterday. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Ms. Collier or myself. Awesome. So that concludes the basic overview of what you need to complete for today's lesson. Please feel free to ask us any questions on the Google Classroom page if you have any problems. Have a good day, guys.